Crash out. After the long day at work, I just crashed out on the sofa. I just want to go home and crash out. Back off. I told him to back off because he was getting too close. Please back off, I need some space. Feel down. I am feeling down today. If you ever feel down, remember I am here for you. Stand by. I will stand by you no matter what happens. I know you will stand by me when I need you. Hook up. They hooked up after the party last night. She wasn't expecting anything serious. It was just a one-time hookup. Lighten up. Lighten up, it's just a joke. Don't be so serious. Lighten up and laugh a little. Blackout. He blacked out after drinking too much. He blacked out when he saw the blood. Cover up. Cover up the car with a plastic sheet. He covered up the box with a blanket. Talk back. Don't talk back to your mother. She talks back to everyone, even her friends. Bump into. I bumped into my old friend at the store. I bumped into my neighbor while walking the dog. Do over. You made so many mistakes. Do it over. The teacher didn't like the essay, so I did it over. Pick on. Don't pick on me just because I'm new here. He always picks on me for no reason. Hit on. Stop hitting on me. I'm not interested. I noticed that he was hitting on me at the party.